Courtney from Killing It with Coupons, and here's my combined grocery haul for you guys this week. The stores that I went to consisted of Jewel, Osco, Beterra Market, Ultra Foods, CVS, Walgreens, Walmart, and Office Depot. So the combined retail price of everything would have been $185.95. I paid $59.24 plus $5.49 in tax. I saved $121.22. I used $9 between my in-store reward savings. I got back $21.50 in reward savings and other rebates, and making my net cost $46.74, which for everything's pretty good price. So real quick, I'll just go over some of the items that I picked up. I picked up 1 of the Prego pasta sauces, 2 of the Welch's jams, 2 of the Ziploc sandwich bags, 4 of the Perfection tampons, 8 of the Fruit 2O sparkling waters. And then down here, these were my school supplies. I picked up 3 of the Scholastic school glues, 3 of the Office Depot pencils, 3 of the Office Depot rulers, 3 of the pencil cases, 3 of the hand sanitizers, 2 of the Sharpies. Then I also picked up a 2-liter of Coke, 2 of the Alka-Seltzers, 4 of the Almay Cosmetics, 4 of the Kellogg's Mini Wheats, 1 of the Oreo cookies, 4 of the Think Thin bars, 3 of the Piggly Wiggly waters, 1 of the 3-pack Office Depot facial tissues, 2 of the Kraft macaroni and cheeses, 2 of the Dutch Farm cream cheeses, 2 of the chicken breasts, 8 of the Capri Suns, 1 of the Dean's Milk, and 1 bag of grapes. So that was everything this week, which was a net cost of $46.74. So if you guys have a haul from this week, I would love to hear about it via video, picture, comment. You guys can also find these deals and more posted on my blog, killingitwithcoupons.com. You guys can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Google+, Pinterest, Instagram, and Tumblr. I'll post links to all of those in the description below. Also, if you guys would, please subscribe, and I will talk to you all next week. Bye, guys.